days of old, man would search for wealth untold. They'd dig for silver and for gold, and leave the empty holes. Way down south in the Everglades, where the black water rolls and the sawgrass waves, where eagles fly and the otters play, in the land of the Seminole. You know this one? Let's all sing it. Oh, the Lord, Seminole wind, and know like you're never gonna know again. Calling to you like a long lost friend, 'cause I know who you are. Oh, the Lord from the Okeechobee, and all the way up to Okeenobe, across the land of the Seminole, the alligator and the gar. Oh, yeah. Progress came and took its toll, and in the name of blood control, they grazed the stands and they drained our lands. Now the blades are going dry, and last time I walked in the swamp, I sat upon a cypress stump. I listened close and I heard the ghost of Osceola crying. Below, below, Seminole wind, blow like you're never gonna blow again. I'm calling to you like a long lost friend, 'cause I know who you are. Oh, the Lord from the Okeechobee, all the way up to Okeenobe, across the land of the Seminole, the alligator and the gar. Oh, Seminole wind, blow like you're never gonna blow again. I'm calling to you like a long lost friend, 'cause I know who you are. Blow, blow from the Okeechobee, all the way up to Okeenobe, across the land of the Seminole, the alligator and the gar. Ever since the days of old, man will search for wealth untold. Dig for silver and for gold, and leave the empty holes. Thank you.